How to make a second account on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here to your TikTok application and then here on your home page, right? So on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options. Click on your profile. Now under profile, you will see this, your username here on the upper portion. Click on that and then here it will say switch account. Now for you to make a second account on TikTok, what you're gonna do is to tap on add account. Now after clicking on add account, it's either you can connect or you can create an account via Facebook, via Apple, or continue with Google, or use your phone number or your email number. So for me, I want to continue with Google, and it will redirect you to the Google page. And then all you have to do is to choose the account that you want to create it with, and then tap on continue. And then basically it will create you an account, and as you can see, it is actually an account that I have already created with. So basically that's it, and that is how you create a second account on TikTok. Now if you wish to switch accounts, then do the same process. Go to your profile, click on the upper portion here, click on that, and then switch account. And basically that's it, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.